Hey YouTube, got an update on the Mustang. We got a box off the UPS truck today. Big order from Summit Racing. Probably more money than I should have spent on this thing, but really tired of the carburetor. My wife hates it. I hate it. The ethanol fuel hates it. So what we've got here is everything to go EFI, and I've spent the money and got a good distributor, I hope. Because I've had bad luck out of distributors. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and we'll show you what all's in the box. First thing we have here is this is the Fitech. This is the new Easy Street EFI. Actually it says Go EFI. Hopefully I didn't get sent the wrong order. 30005. That should be the Easy Street. If it is, it should be gold. I think the Go EFI is the more expensive one. That's the gold. But anyway, we'll set that aside and show you what else is in the box. We have a Automotive. It's the Stealth in-tank 340 liter per hour fuel pump. And we have a this is a pertronix ready to run flamethrower distributor. Paid a lot for it. Hope it's a good one. I've had bad luck out of distributors from Advance and Rock Auto. Seems like everything you get now is garbage. But anyway, I've got a freaking $30 Pro Comp one in the car right now. Hopefully that's a good one. We have 6 AM lines, return and the main fuel line, and fittings to connect it to the in-tank sending unit. And all that's left is I got a new Edelbrock breather. I may get the matching valve covers for it later. And got a throttle cable for a 85 Mustang GT. I'm using the 95 throttle cable right now, kind of butchered up. It works, but anyway, I just thought I'd show that little update. I may do some unboxing on each of these later, and then as well as a full install on the car. If you want to follow this, just subscribe. If not, that's cool. Thank you. Have a good day.